Want to create a cool cinematic opening like this? Let's get started. First, import your video and music into the timeline. Make sure you set the correct aspect ratio and remove the original audio if your video contains sounds. Go to the beginning of the clip and click Freeze. Then go to the Remove BG menu and select Auto Removal. After that, go to the Mask menu and choose Film Strip. Adjust the position and size so only 1/3 of the object is visible. Duplicate the clip, then adjust the mask so the next 1/3 section becomes visible. Duplicate again and repeat the same step for the remaining section. Next, move to the end of the clip and add keyframes for all 3 clips. Then move to the middle of the clip and add another keyframe for all 3 clips. Select the first clip. Change the scale to 50%. Move it to the top and rotate it slightly. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 clips. After that, go to the beginning of the clip and add keyframes. Move the clips downward and outside of the frame. Repeat the same steps for the other 2 clips. To make the movement smoother, apply curves. Right-click on the keyframes. Select Show All Presets. Then choose Ease In for the middle keyframes and Cubic In for the last keyframes. Repeat this step for all 3 clips. Press play to preview the result. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth cinematic opening. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to improve your content. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.